2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Honda CBR250F. In the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Honda CBR250F emerges as an outstanding choice, offering an ideal blend of performance, accessibility, and Honda's renowned reliability. Designed with entry-level riders in mind, the CBR250F provides an approachable platform for those taking their first steps into the exhilarating world of motorcycling. At the heart of the Honda CBR250F lies a 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of power and ease of use. The manageable power output caters to novice riders, providing enough oomph to enjoy the ride without overwhelming them. The single-cylinder configuration contributes to a smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for those who are still developing their throttle control skills. The CBR250F features a sporty design inspired by its larger sport bike siblings, showcasing Honda's commitment to offering a stylish and attractive entry-level motorcycle. The sleek fairings, dual headlights, and sharp lines contribute to the bike's dynamic aesthetic, making it a visually appealing choice for riders who appreciate a sport-oriented look. Comfort is a key consideration for beginners, and the CBR250F excels in providing an ergonomic and rider-friendly experience. The riding position strikes a balance between a sporty forward lean and a comfortable upright stance, allowing riders to enjoy both short commutes and longer journeys without undue strain. The low seat height further enhances accessibility for riders of varying sizes. Handling is a crucial aspect for beginner riders, and the CBR250F shines in this department. The lightweight chassis and nimble handling make maneuvering through city streets and navigating tight turns a breeze. Novice riders can build confidence in their riding skills thanks to the bike's stable and predictable performance. Safety features are prioritized in the CBR250F, underscoring Honda's commitment to rider well-being. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, come standard, providing enhanced control during braking and reducing the risk of skidding in various road conditions. This safety net is particularly valuable for riders who may encounter unexpected challenges as they gain experience on the road. Affordability is a significant factor for beginner riders, and the Honda CBR250F delivers on this front with a competitive price point. This makes it an attractive option for those seeking an entry-level sport bike without a hefty financial commitment, allowing more riders to access the excitement of sport-oriented motorcycling. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda CBR250F stands out as an exceptional choice for beginners looking to embrace the sport bike experience. With its accessible performance, stylish design, and a focus on rider comfort and safety, the CBR250F provides an inviting and enjoyable introduction to the world of motorcycling, making it a top pick for riders embarking on their two-wheeled adventures.